to my channel. If you're new, this is your girl, Courageous K. Today I'm here with a try-on haul from Chic Couture online. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment down below, leave your girl some love, click the notification bell. Thank you. Comment down below your favorite outfit, guys. Thank you. Without further ado, let's get
you coming back. You more dumb than I thought of you. I'm so over you. I'm so freaking over you. I should've cheated when I had the chance to. I was for only you, but you took me for a fool. I'm in my feelings. Why I'm in my feelings? I'm in my feelings, 'cause you care so much. I'm in my feelings, 'cause you love so hard. I'm in my feelings, shut away in your feelings. I regret the day we met. Should've left your eyes on red. Was naive, wanted attention from your brown eyes, but there was somewhere else. I should've known, I should've known, I should've known. Who could've told, who could've told, who could've told that you were on your game? You never loved me in the first place. Started out as close friends, then became best friends, turned into my boo. Somehow you forget that too. All of this came down to your stupid move. God knows I tried. I'm so over you. I'm so fucking over you. I'm trying over you. I ain't back to back like you scheduled. The hell I did to you. Mama ain't raised no fool. If you think you coming back, you more dumb than I thought of you. I'm so over you. I'm so fucking over you. I should've cheated when I had the chance to. I was for only you, but you took me for a fool. I'm in my feelings. Why I'm in my feelings? I'm in my feelings, 'cause you care so much. I'm in my feelings, 'cause you love so hard. I'm in my feelings, shut away in your feelings. See, I have to let you go for me. You're killing me mentally.